Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really cool new Comica VM40 Shotgun Microphone with wireless modes and wired mode if you like or as you need it. 48 kilohertz, 32-bit, 32 gigabyte storage, safety audio track, super Cardioid camera mic for filmmakers, vloggers, wireless mic for camera, for a smartphone, and for a personal computer, and nearly it's possible because it's professional for everyone and every device there. We have here 48 kilohertz and 32-bit float recording via the wireless dual modes. The Comica VM40 Shotgun Microphones incorporates Comica's patented integrated wireless RF module, enabling smooth operation in both wired and wireless modes. With 48 kilohertz and 32-bit float recording, the VM40 camcorder microphone offers an expanded dynamic range. This making pulse creators provides a versatile and professional solution for us and our recording needs. And we have 32 gigabyte internal file storage. That means 40 hours of internal recording are possible, because the VM40 Shotgun Boom microphone has a built-in 32 gigabyte storage capacity. This allows us to record audio for up to 40 hours. Users can back up audio during shooting and recording or use the microphone as a recorder. Ensuring the integrity of the audio files are provided a very reliability and a secure solution for all our recording needs. And we have a Comica audio app and a one-stop convenient control. This Comica VM40 video camera microphone supports one-stop control of additional functions via the official Comica audio app. This is available in the Play Store and, of course, in the App Store, Apple and Android. This allows us for more remote monitoring of the microphone status. We're changing settings and managing multiple devices by scene, ensuring effortless control and enhanced convenience for all our recording needs. And we have a safety mode and a real-time monitoring. The Comica VM40 camera microphone provides safety mode. In safety mode, the sound is divided into two tracks, with an additional audio track recorded at 6 decibel lower than the main audio, which can be used as a backup audio. In addition, the real-time monitoring function can provide instant feedback on the recording effect for better adjustment. And it supports one key dangers: low cut and high frequency boost. The VM40 camera external microphone featuring CAL, C-A-L, M-I-X, CAL makes noise reduction technology, effectively minimize the background noise for enhanced audio quality. The low cut filter removes frequencies below 100 Hz to reduce the low-end noise, while the high-frequency boost brightens and clarifies a higher frequency for a crisper, more detailed sound. And we have a battery life up to 32 hours or 10 hours in wired or wireless mode. The shotgun camera microphone features a built-in rechargeable lithium battery that lasts up to 32 hours in wired mode and up to 10 hours in wireless mode. These ensuring an ample recording time without worrying about running out of power, babe. And you will get everything what you need for a professional sound setup. 48 kilohertz, 32-bit float recording. Because the Comica VM40 camera microphone features floating point recording, providing an extended dynamic range that makes post-production easier for us creators. That's cool. That's in wired mode, for example. We can connect this wired connection to a smartphone, for example, or to a camcorder, or where you like. No problem for it, because it's the analog way possible and the digital way is possible too, because USB-C. And we have 32 gigabyte file storage. It comes with an internal storage capacity. This allows us to record audio for up to 40 hours. And if we are going to use the audio app for iOS and Android. This is the official Comica audio apps and has an iOS and Android version that can edit and handle this much professional than before. And in safety mode, an additional audio tracks recorded if we like. Then of course we can make stereo or we can make a mono recording. And we have the low cut frequency. The call mixed denoise preferably reduce the background noises, easy peasy. And of course, we have more real-time monitoring, ultra-long battery life, then a really widely compatibility. That means you can make a compatibility with computer, smartphones, tablets, camcorders, DSLR cameras, smartphones, and. And we have a possibility of 200 meter of transmission. That means if you are in a set and you are a filmmaker and it is a big set there, 200 meter range, no problem for you. You can use it for interview, for filmmaking, for video conferences, for live broadcasts, and you will get all what you need. A shotgun microphone, a receiver, a 2-in-1 charging and output cable, a 3.5mm TRS cable, and a 3.5mm TRS cable, a 3-in-1 charging cable, a shock mount, a 3/8 male to 5/8 female stand adapter. But that's not enough. We will get a 5/8 male to 3/8 female screw and a 3/8 male to 1/4 female screw too. So you have the possibility to make it possible to dock this microphone, for example, to your tripod, to your camera system, and we have a wind muff for a studio. We have a wind screen for outdoor shooting. We have a carry case included, which really nice is because so we are mobile with that. And of course we can use 2 VM40 shotgun microphones with one of the receiver. That's possible too. In this case, we can have 2 scenes at once. And we can use this sound files then to make a good interview moment, for example. Or, as you need it, the Comica VM40 shotgun microphone with wireless mode or wired mode can be used for professionals and beginners. Because it's so plug and play, so easy, but with a nice and good condition on the market. Let's have a try. Now you can listen to my iPad Pro internal microphone system. This is a good thing, of course, but it's better with the next step. And now you can hear the Comica VM40 Super Cardioid wireless shotgun microphone. In stereo quality, it makes a really good gain with your sound. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.